au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House orofa ya pili. Eje Nansoko TV Uboroso Bumugusi.
Vino kugera kwane buna kwagenderera buya kurweke mambira boyo kwegokire nemirobiri yonsi imeya Nsoko TV oboroso bwomugusi korwa ekemambi gwekera chinga kichinga bune chiga na irengo kwarigania oyanyora Amayia asenchira yobwenge ase omubasobo no Chinsa chiga Isano nebere cyabona mubaso tubwatu gwetera asenchira yo mutandao gwekera Facebook raboigo ase ensemo ya YouTube Nsoko TV rietariane Ishmael Mogere. Asomu chakano mubasobono oyo kabero mo senator we county ya Kisii Professor Sam Ongeri nigaruro kuboria guchia segesa kukyomugusi koba libo erimo eryokorenda egesa kukyomugusi na mono asensemo yoburai wego nigaruro kuboria guchia se omugusi gotinenamo eryo guchikomusira oyo kurigekero kukyoburai bwense Daktari Fred Matiang'i tiango taramanyora Sam Ongeri asenkwana yae
ngobori gente kemo musikane onde taramu onde takorro onde mekono mobe buna abana abamo abagusiaba nkimukuramirana kabamo ekyare ikirekiuka kraba ichinguru egesaku gekorendwa nabali mwayirwe libagari okora mochware gesaku yechigosira nochibura abana bakuna kwana kuruisiko nganto tagato bugambi obo inu moisani bugambi obo iga onabaretera engora yoyo minto Fred Okengo Matiang'i mwanyanje ile na inche bunando oche miaka yane terimeke na inche na muragire ng'omwana oyo na musonchire nare naisaine mwaje na tevenze kyo barenga baatanga naisaine mwanchire kabisa mwanchire pi one gento ndaba borie moche gionde ekyara erata gete egento kyebwanchani no bwororo ore na abasare yana kuragero Teronge chiko ikito kumatenga karuo. Mazina boigo. Mama chekia do chekionde. Lakini ese bono ya ikire. Mbuna na atarire Kenya. Nande na arorire nsere. Kiro monto moitabire. Leki ka korora. Ako no kumo stongerizo. Kere gente kegocha nere ba ko tongerizo. Bono nchora tenena on his behalf. Kubatebya abanyari bari aba nane ninchemba kwanire getonkere ngo chakobatebya mochi go tutukana Kabebunebu ribo erimo. Stand firm. Don't run away. Don't be afraid. Romo mroyo matiangi. Nerekala tenina igaba firm. Akarete ke sabto mugusike karurekana. Bono mosa Yesu regio. Mochiko bwate bitamtamu ni byamagoroba. Pasera baigo. Bitamtamu ni byaradi. Byamagoroba.
Gotigana nayo kura sorongo rwa Busia abanyanyimbo kuri ensemo ya Dandora aigase county ya Nairobi niko babekire byara kinamba plate emya ya moneye mu kigali ekikagere koibwa amo nebintu byo kurosya kinamba plate cyo barimo korengana no mo speed wensemo ya Buruburu Mr Boniface Lumuka nigatebire buna bali abakagere gukora ebikore ibyo tibarabe kubyara korende bachakire obunyabi eryo obunyabi gotindie bwo kubarirya asibo igaruro kubore gukia sabana inchi kokonya abanyanyimbo sokurwa mangana eriko babeka byara abo bakagere gwikiranya ebikorubinga bunebyo.
My name is Boniface Lomuk, the OCPD Buruburu. Here we are at Dandora police station. And I'm flanked by my officers, the OCDCI Dandora, OCS Dandora, OCS Molem, and the traffic base commander for Dandora. Today, following credible information, intelligence from the members of the public, we were able to raid a residential house within Kariobangi South, that is Mutarakwa Road, where we were able to find 101 pair of number plates, that is registration plates for vehicles. We also have some for motorcycles. And we also did recover some plates bearing. We also managed to find plates bearing the chassis number of some motor vehicles and materials that are used to manufacture, or rather to make registration plates for motor vehicles. Credible information indicates that these vehicles could have been stolen, and in fact they are dismantled to be sold for spare parts. So to the members of the public, those who could be able to identify the registration plates that are here, they should come forward, report to OCDCI Dandora for investigation. They should be able to assist us for investigations on the same. The person in whose house the items were recovered is on the run, and we'll catch up with him very soon. So far, we have none, but we'll soon get them. We are going for them. We have information as to who the owner of the house is and their accomplices. We'll get to them.
Gotigana nayo mwancho moreri umwaziri w'ekisemi Julius Migosio gamba nigayenekire mu serikali wetere wizara y'ekisemi nigayenderete wetuma erikoenekiana aborokiwa pagosoa asikiskuru cha maigero kimanyekere muri event konyora barugosirwa asokonyora maigerio amaikirano nabo igo konyora bare ebintu byo gutumika se amaigerio nabo igo ukoebwatrania korwa nebyombe binde eriabasaye gutierwa samatiko yankyo ogamba nigaya kwanaya asomo yegabwe merongena na Isano nemo bwokubabekera aborokiwa chilifu 315 abo bakorera konyora amaigerio korwa Kenya School of Technical and Vocational Education Training asensemo ya Girgir County ya Nairobi.
TVET in Kenya has moved to the center of our national agenda. It is now an indispensable bedrock on which lies the pillars of our country's prosperity. To strengthen training in TVET institutions, the Ministry of Education has, in the last 2 years, trained through the Kenya School of TVET over 10,000 TVET trainers nationwide in the competency-based education and training delivery methodology. This thereby signifies and significantly advances the quality and relevance of technical and vocational education. This has been possible through pre-service and continuous professional development programs at the Kenya School of TVET. The efforts to build capacity of the TVET trainers ensure that equipping of our youth with practical, future-ready skills is aligned with industry and that these needs are done effectively. Ladies and gentlemen, the government, through the support of His Excellency the President, continues to implement reforms to align technical and vocational education and training to industry demands, innovation opportunities, and pertinent skills required for national growth. The reforms are also designed to ensure that TVET offerings are offered and aligned to the demands of industry. Ladies and gentlemen, linkages with industry have also been strengthened through establishing a framework for the recognition of prior learning. This way, we can now recognize and certify qualifications that have been acquired through industry, including the Jua Kali subsector. Ladies and gentlemen, in an effort to strengthen the human resource capacity of the technical institutions in Kenya, the government has made deliberate efforts to recruit new technical trainers in the past 3 years. Moreover, plans are underway to recruit more trainers as TVET institutions continue to record a surge in admissions. This will provide adequate skilled technical trainers to guide our students and therefore guarantee the quality and increased access to training in our TVET institutions.
Ase omoyegonde bwokuba bekera borkiwa chilifu Ibere chimi Isano lisete 25 noyo moigi utwasi University ya Cooperative mu wazile Wycliffe Oparanya nigaruro kubore guchia saba sae gwesonania na mabagabo igemerobero awe serikali ya chakire bunyanyota ilikuwa genderelia ase obunchiriri nabo igasensemo yobogima asensemo yoboremi bwekemerige kahawa nigayenekire bune serikali nigo yachakire umuroberio uguchigukine birengo byerigesa lyekemerige kahawa ime yense ya Kenya.
For the youth, I can advise them that there is a lot of opportunity outside there. And the government has come up with opportunities they can write down to improve their living and also improve their own communities. For example, in the ministry, we have a project called Nyota, which targets youth between the ages of 18 and 29, and for those living with disability from 18 to 35, that aims at creating young entrepreneurs, because that is where we have more opportunities. Young entrepreneurs to be trained as entrepreneurs so that they can become business people. At the moment, we are in the first phase where we have involved 70 youths every ward, and by the end of that first phase, we expect to have trained 110,000 Kenya youths, and this project is being undertaken with the support of the World Bank. The coffee reforms, as you are aware, that Kenya has not been doing well in the coffee production. One, production has been going down in terms of per bush. The average in the country is 2.5 kilos per bush. And the total production has dropped from 180,000 in the 80s to the current level of 50,000 per year. So the government has now come up with a revitalization program within the coffee cooperative movement to make sure that we increase coffee production from the current 50,000 to 150,000 by the financial year 2028-29. We have already come up with strategies to make sure that this is achieved by that time. One, we have come up with the National Steering Committee, which will be supported with the County Steering Committee to make sure that we coordinate the entire sector in every region so that we achieve that objective that we have.
Gusukamotwe mwanchu murigereri umurugi bw'omukonyi bw'omurayi gwense Dr. Joyce Kidure gakubwatirana n'abangina kurwa imeyense n'orugongo rwa Africa nigo bachakira umurubiri umanyikaine buna Flair se ukubwatirana ne University ya Nairobi ekerenga ekenene ky'umurubiri uyo no gusira abasubati se abana abayiseke boigo barachikubekwa mutwe erikwene kyana ati bari gotigara magega na boigo nkonyora bare amwegeri no gusirwa se ubugima ubuiga.
This is a visionary initiative of the University of Nairobi and a bold step forward in redefining what leadership looks like in our continent. Flair is more than a program. It is a movement, a high-level, multi-sectoral platform designed to inspire, empower, and foster innovation among Africans' first leaders and visionary women. Its vision, that impact and innovation with Africans' visionary women, captures a powerful truth. I also want to capture your minds. Captures a powerful truth. Good, listen now. That when women lead with purpose. Women lead with, sorry, I'm a lecturer, so I will also lecture at the same time. If they lead with purpose, the entire society rises. Okay? The entire society rises. Now, tonight, as you honor the remarkable individual and organizations who will receive awards, we celebrate them not only for what they have achieved, but for the doors they have opened for others. Their work inspires us to do more, to reach future, and to remain steadfast in building a continent where no woman or girl is left behind. Let us also remember that empowering women is not an event, it is a continuous commitment.
Women and girls form an important segment in our society. Yet, time and again, this segment continues to bear a brand of historical and systematic discrimination in various facets of life, be it education, economic activities, basic freedom, and even decision-making. Thus, strategic interventions aimed in empowering women means giving them the right to live with dignity and to make decisions and to chase their dreams without fear. The first step lies in acknowledging that there exist gender disparities in our society.
Mwancho morigereri ayo na senchira yobwenge korende ensa eyemo na boigo Chinsa isatu chabu tukuno chikomerana amana Clinton ondege yo choka yaretera asenchira yobwagare no bwembe buna baseke baito baguchiko yarigania aseri tukeriga lya rero gendera gotengera soko TV oboroswo mugusia semero birende yatigere ase omubasobono kura sense moyane ngukukaneria omubasomuya eretariane Ishmael Mogere.